countrymen, hear me shout. I've got the whole thing figured out. What the country needs is more moonlight, more kisses and sighs, more little white lies, like lovers love to coo. What the country needs is more romance, more flowers in spring, more people who sing, I love you, I do. Look at the folks across the sea, they're all at war today. There'd be no war across the sea if the people all would rise and say, what the country needs is more moonlight, more feminine charms in masculine arms. That's just what the country needs.
What the country needs is more moonlight, more kissing and hugs, more cutting up rugs, and skiddly-bip, giddly-biddly hip, oh, babe.
I've just begun to realize love makes the world go round.
Just bring your boyfriend home and say, oh, mama, mama, look what I found. What the country needs is more moonlight,
more feminine charms
in masculine arms. That's just what the country needs.